In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs, a handy skill especially for formatting citations in academic writing or any document that needs a professional looking touch. Let's dive right in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to have your references opened in a Google Docs file. This is where you'll apply the hanging indent. So make sure all the text you need to format is there and ready. If you're working with a school paper or a professional document, organizing your references in advance will help you stay focused as we go through these steps. Next, highlight the text where you want to apply the hanging indent. Click and drag your mouse over the text, spanning just the section that requires this formatting. This step is crucial because the hanging indent is applied only to text that's highlighted. After highlighting your text, go to the top menu and click on Format. This is where you'll find many of the formatting options available in Google Docs. Among these options, we're looking specifically for the one that allows us to align and indent our text. Within the Format menu, you'll see an option labeled Align and Indent. Go ahead over it and a submenu will appear. Here, locate and click on Indentation options. This is where we'll start customizing our text indentation. Within the indentation options, you'll see a section labeled Special Indent. Click on it and you'll see the available types of indentation. What we want is the hanging option. After selecting this, you'll be asked to specify the size of the indent. Set the indent at 0.5 inches, which is the standard margin size for a hanging indent. This neat and consistent look is commonly used in many academic and professional documents. Make sure that the value is set correctly before moving on. Once you've done this, simply click Apply. At this point, Google Docs will adjust your highlighted text to include the hanging indent, creating that clean and organized look where the first line of each reference begins flush with the left margin, while subsequent lines are indented. And there you have it, you're done. You've now successfully applied a hanging indent to your document. Practice using this technique whenever you're dealing with long lists of references, bibliographies, or whenever a document needs that extra bit of finesse in its presentation. Keep experimenting with these features until you're comfortable, and rest assured, well-formatted documents will always make a great impression. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.